Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start by preparing a legal card fight. Vanguard deck. 50 cards, exactly 1 Vanguard, and no more than 4 copies of any single card. Include 16 trigger units to balance shield and offensive triggers, and place 3 to 4 copies of your Frieren Grade 3 key pieces so you can ride consistently. At game start, draw 5 cards, set your Vanguard face up, then ride to Grade 1, Grade 2, and Grade 3 in that order as your turns allow. You may mulligan once to improve your starting hand. In the early game, focus on consistent rides. Push to Grade 1, then Grade 2, and hit Grade 3 to unlock Frieren's main abilities on turn 3. Build a board by calling rearguards to fill up to 5 rearguard circles, prioritizing units that provide plus 10k power or specific skill text that supports Frieren's combos. Conserve resources by guarding with hand cards equal to shield values, while keeping 2 to 3 cards reserved for future counterblast. In mid to late game, leverage Frieren's Grade 3 skills to pressure the opponent with repeated Vanguard attacks while preserving 2 to 3 resources for key plays. Maintain 3 to 4 copies of your combo pieces in deck, and trigger into critical or draw triggers to convert pressure into damage and card advantage. If you fall behind, trade less important rearguards to protect your Vanguard, focus on triggering extra attacks, and sequence cards to regain field advantage and finish the match before resources run out.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.